So, because I'm quite obviously a massive troll, the moment that I realised you could make music with AI and it sounded good, I wanted to create a fake band and see who would believe me. Specifically, I wanted to try and get it played on BBC, and I had this whole idea that I would be like the person who got the first AI band played without them knowing, and it would be exciting. That didn't happen, which is probably a good thing. But I thought I'd show you some of the things I made as part of my campaign to invent a fictional band called Amy in Crisis. So this first one is called Bristol. It has some flashing lights in it, so don't watch it if that's going to be an issue for you. And yeah, see what you think.
I'm not going to Bristol to hold your hand, or see your band, or tell you I love you. It's desolate here, haven't you seen? Where have you been? You're not here with me. I'm becoming a ghost. We're all lost. We're all losing. We're all gone.
So yeah, I was quite happy with how that turned out. It has a slightly Amy Winehouse-y, maybe Florence and the Machine-y, Cigarettes After Sex kind of vibe to it. I couldn't quite place it. If you feel like you know an artist who it fits more, I would be really interested in knowing that, partly to know if it's sort of copying a specific style, but to my ear I couldn't immediately place anyone that sort of seemed like a dead ringer for that. Anyway, I'll show you the next one I made, which is also Amy in Crisis. They all are, and this one's a little bit more spicy.
Everyone I love is hooked on drugs. Everyone I love is hooked on drugs.
So again, there's one which, to my ear, doesn't have a dead ringer for who it sounds like. I definitely hear, I don't know, a bit of Chemical Brothers in there, but not a female lead. A little bit of Prodigy, again, not a female lead. Crystal Castles, I don't know. Really interested who you think it kind of sounds like there. Okay, I've got one more for you. This one is a little bit more Sinead O'Connor-ish. I don't know, a little bit more folky, but also quite like a 90s kind of rock girl band, which is obviously my whole vibe. So I'll play this one out and then we'll come back.
Heaven didn't want me, so they sent me back here. The devil doesn't need me, but he likes that I'm near. Your father didn't like me, I didn't care for him too. Your mother wants me pregnant, it's the least I could do. Getting lost in the little plans we made.
is the SoundCloud page that I made for Amy in Crisis. You've got Eliza Scorn there, two people a little bit more obscured. For Eliza, I wanted a look which deliberately looked like she was wearing a wig, but then also was a bit camp, overdressed, glam rock. I thought that could suit the vibe. I liked the fact that she was in a wig, because theoretically it means you could walk past the lead singer and you wouldn't know it, so it's sort of a little bit more murky about who she really was. On the page itself, I have some of the artwork from some of the different songs here. I've got some others that you haven't heard. One Last Look in particular, I think is quite good, to be honest. Haven't had loads of plays though, but still, you know, it was quite a bit of fun. I do encourage you, if you want to try out a strange experiment, to make your own band, see what happens. So there you have it, Amy in Crisis. It was a lot of fun to make, a little experiment, a bit of a troll. I would be really curious if you heard anything in those songs that you feel connects to another type of band. Really curious. And also if you've made any AI music or even a whole band, and how you found the experience. One of the things I found most challenging was to have a sense of sort of continuity between the songs. So it seemed realistic that it would be the same actual band that had created each of them, specifically the same lead singer. That was difficult but not impossible. I did find that by doing lots of generations with sort of similar prompts, I was able to get a style which did seem to match. Wasn't perfect, but I think it just about would slide under the radar unless you have a really good ear for voices, or maybe just a better one than I've got. Anyway, thanks for joining me. This was one of my favourite little experiments recently, and I hope to see you again soon.